Hopefully cold and flu won't strike at your home this year, but in case it does, this natural vapor rub is a good natural remedy to have around. I used to keep regular Vicks vapor rub and the baby version on hand for times when the seasonal cold would hit until I realized that it had petroleum in it. Yuck. So I decided to make a DIY vapor rub containing natural ingredients and complex compounds that not only knock out symptoms but can also help the body heal itself. Before I start making this DIY vapor rub, do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from this channel. To make this amazing vapor rub, you will need coconut oil. It serves as a carrier oil, but it is also very moisturizing and soothing to the skin. Just add 1/2 cup of coconut oil into a container. The next ingredient of this magical rub is shea butter. It is also moisturizing but gives the mixture a thicker texture so it's not too greasy. Add 1/4 cup of shea butter to it. The last key ingredient of this rub is camphor. Camphor is a mild pain reliever. It provides a cooling sensation when applied to the skin. It may also be used as a chest rub to soothe chest congestion and relieve cough caused by the flu or common cold. 1 teaspoon of camphor powder is safe for babies under 2. For adults, you can increase its quality up to 1 tablespoon. First, melt coconut oil and shea butter using double boiler method. As soon as it is completely melted, remove it from heat and add 1 tablespoon of camphor powder to it. Transfer the mixture to a container with a tight fitting lid and store in a cool area when not in use. The DIY vapor rub doesn't pack the same punch as a commercial vapor rubs. Instead, it seeps in slowly with a very mild tingling feeling. Just apply a small amount to the chest during a cold or when you have a cough. You can also apply the rub on your upper and middle back as well. You can apply this every couples of hours. If you are pregnant or nursing, check with your holistic healthcare provider before using essential oils. Only use a very small amount on the bottoms of the feet or infant under 6 months of age. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.